Welcome! Now I've got Oppo Find X3 Lite, and now I'll show you how to find photos in your gallery. First of all, need to open your photo gallery, not Google application, this one, only standard application in this Oppo. So find this photos application, and now need choose, for example, some photos for hide. For example, this one, this, and this. And on the bottom we got send as private option. So go press it, then enter privacy password, and now private save option, agree and continue. Access private save, settings privacy, okay, use face cancel, okay, and this private option settings, so click back. Now one more time. Press and hold, select photos, click on the bottom set as private, and now we see that successfully set as private. So for see these photos, press and hold on your photos in the top, enter your privacy password, and now we see our private photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.